Hey guys, this is Jam of jamonline.ph, and today we got here the Cherry Mobile Flare S8 Pro. So not to be confused dun sa Plus version, mas maganda pa rin si Plus, but the Cherry Mobile Flare S8 Pro is actually more powerful than the Cherry Mobile Flare S8. So the Flare S8 packs a Helio P22 processor, P23 processor. So this one is Helio P22 because this one comes with AI. So para sa yung AI? Well, of course, sa camera and also sa other functionalities ng smartphone. So pag-usapan muna natin yung specifications. Again, a Helio P22 processor sa loob. Then we got here a 6.5-inch HD Plus True View display. Medyo malaki siya, very immersive, great for watching videos and also for playing games. Then we also got here a 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage, pretty spacious. Then of course we got here the 20 megapixel plus 5 megapixel camera sa likod and a 20 megapixel front camera. Sa loob we also got here the dual SIM LTE. And then it also comes with USB Type-C with quick charge. And then, meron tayong fingerprint scanner sa likod yan. So, affordable siya at 5,999 pesos. So, this goes parang head-to-head against the Realme 3 yata. And yeah, there's a 4,000 milliamp hours of battery. So, that is pretty big for this smartphone. Then, we also got here Android 9 Pie based on Cherry OS V2 based on Android 9 Pie. So, makikita nyo naman, yung design niya is something na medyo talaga nakakaagaw attention. We got here the gradient look na smartphone. So, makikita nyo, parang purple violet na may gradient dito sa likod, then pa-horizontal yung gradient niya. Ang ganda niya tignan. Reminds me of the Cherry Mobile Flare X3 na hinanso natin before. So medyo madilim siya dito kasi medyo madilim yung area, but you can see here na maganda yung kulay niya pag nagre-reflect siya sa ilaw. And then of course, we got here the fingerprint scanner, dual lens camera, the LED flash sa ilalim, speaker grill, the USB-C. Unfortunately, wala rin tayo ditong headphone jack. Yun yung medyo na-miss ko dito. Wala tayong headphone jack dito sa Cherry Mobile Flare S8 Pro. Actually, yung Cherry Mobile Flare S8 lang yata yung merong headphone jack. Then, just like the Cherry Mobile Flare S8, medyo malaki rin yung bezel natin sa ilalim. We also got here the notch and, well, we also got here the bezel sa sides. Okay naman yung bezel sa sides. However, medyo mataba pa rin yung sa notch, yung bezel sa ilalim. Similar to the Cherry Mobile Flare S8. So, makikita naman dito, okay naman yung kanyang yung build niya. It's made up of plastic, by the way. And okay naman yung ergonomics niya. So, okay lang ako. Medyo malaki lang, yes. But, I'm pretty sure that you'll get used to it. And wala akong problema. Though, maramdaman naman na plastic siya pag hinawakan. Pero pag malayo, uy, ang ganda niya tignan. Ganda ng gradient color niya. Something na pagmamalaki mo yung design ng Cherry Mobile Flare S8 Pro. So again, we got here large display, which is great for gaming. This one is running on Helio P22 processor. So yung Helio P22, I believe yung Oppo F5 yata is running at Helio P23 or P22. But the fact na we're running a Helio processor on a 6,000 peso smartphone, medyo malaking bagay na yon, and I'm pretty sure kaya na laruin yung itong maglaro dito sa phone na to. So yeah, this is the Cherry Mobile Flare S8 Pro. It's running on Cherry OS V2. Makikita niyo naman, malinis siya, maganda siya tignan. Mabilis na siya compared sa mga previous generation ng Cherry OS. Makikita niyo meron tayong mga pre-installed applications. But problema dito is, well, meron tayong mga pre-installed na applications na probably hindi nyo kailangan. But the game booster is actually helpful. Naglilinis siya ng cache ng games, ng apps, so bibilis yung games nyo. Then yan. So marami tayong pwedeng i-run dito sa phone na to. But however, we can't do a gaming test right now. Probably yung software niya is still on prototype or on beta. So marami pang changes na possible na mangyari dito sa smartphone na to. But right now, I'm happy that we're getting a software like this. The Cherry OS V2 is a big upgrade compared to the predecessor. And the Cherry Mobile Flare S8 Pro is a really nice smartphone. Not the best one, I guess, but it's a really nice smartphone. So yes, I guess that's it for the Cherry Mobile Flare S8 Pro hands-on. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, now's the time to subscribe. So once again, I am jamonline.ph. Thank you for watching our video. So see you guys again next time.